Our aim for this is to unite men through facial hair.
What we soon realised, we don't just sell products, we actually bring men together.
For so long, men have been so closed up, so we've been able to unlock that through something that they truly own, which is beards, and then we can then address other situations.
The Mobro was actually started in 2014, funny enough, for November, and we're doing charity. The three brothers just decided it'll be a bit of fun, you know, who can grow the best beard within a month.
And it all really began with a bit of rivalry between brothers, as you do.
Unfortunately, it didn't go very well for us, so myself, unfortunately, had a thin and patchy beard.
I had a really itchy beard.
I had a terrible, wild, unruly beard.
So we all sat there dismayed and thought, you know, we can't grow a good beard.
Basically, we took it upon ourselves to source the right ingredients. The product was actually made for ourselves, for our own purpose. And then we thought, oh, why not list it online? And that's where Mobros was born.
When we first sold our first batch of products, I mean, it was an amazement.
And we all had this little huddle together and we all started jumping up and down.
The Amazon channel is very important for us. So we use a whole range of Amazon services, which means we can not just deliver our customers here in the UK, but also deliver our products worldwide.
So far there's been 300,000 Mobros to date, and we've been into 78 countries. So again, to be able to have that reach, to make that difference, and the bigger picture for us as a business is to bring guys together so they can open up, we can address issues that start around beards, but then it extends out to things like mental health or just the brotherhood.
So working with my brothers is probably a dream come true. Since a young age, we've always wanted to work together, we've always dreamt of it, laughed and joked, and yeah, it's become a reality now. So yeah, every day is a happy day for us.